SVS's Prime Series speakers are among our favorite we've ever tested when it comes to performance and value. And with the piano gloss cabinets, they also look pretty fantastic. Now the company has adapted a wireless version of its Prime Series satellites, the Prime Wireless. With the ability to stream straight to the speakers in high resolution, no amp required, what's not to like? As a version of Prime's satellite speakers, these are a lot smaller than bookshelf wireless options like Kef's LS50 wireless, which also makes the sound a bit lighter and less full. However, it does mean that you can place them just about anywhere, and it also keeps the price pretty low, whereas the LS50 wireless are $2,200, these are just $600. One point of note here, while we love the piano gloss, it looks fantastic, it also scratches very easily. So you'll want to keep your hands off, and if you're going to set it on a shelf or a console, you'll want to use these little sticky rubber pads that come with them. Under the grill, you'll find a 1-inch aluminum driver and a 4.5-inch polypropylene woofer. Each of the drivers is pushed by 50 watts for a total of 200 watts of Class D amplification. And just as importantly, there's also a digital crossover to align the frequencies and allow for supreme clarity. At the back of the right master speaker are plenty of inputs, as you can see here. There's a 3.5mm analog aux-in, RCA analog aux-in, digital optical input, both Ethernet in and out, and maybe most importantly, a subwoofer output so you can add more beef to the sound. These two knobs are the only physical controls on board. The right knob controls volume and pause play, and then the left knob actually changes the input selection and also allows you to select presets from internet radio stations and streaming services if you want to. Interestingly enough, there's no power button on board anywhere here because the speakers are meant to stay on all the time so they're always ready to stream. Now, we asked SVS about this, and they told us that the speakers do comply with energy standards for speakers in their class. Now, here's where we come to our only real issue with the design, and it may be something you've already noticed, but the Prime Wireless do not come with a physical remote control. That's somewhat by design because the Play-Fi app is very versatile, and especially compared to its early days, it's also pretty intuitive and stable as well. You can see you can control play, song skip, and volume for streaming right here, as you can inside the Spotify app, and you can also do a ton of other things with the app. You can group multiple speakers, including a whole ton of different Play-Fi supported speakers, as well as stream from multiple different streaming services. And if you want to use a plugged-in input such as a TV or a turntable, you can also use the pseudo volume remote right here, which can control the volume pretty easily, and you can even do that from your buttons as long as the app is in. That being said, while the Play-Fi app is certainly versatile and easy to use, we would have loved to see a physical remote, especially for physical inputs. Like the wide majority of wireless stereo speakers we've seen, the Prime Wireless connect together over a single cable. However, unlike a lot of competitors, this single cable also carries the power, meaning you only need one power cable and one outlet. Clear, smooth, articulate sound springs forth from the speakers, offering a premium listening experience at a pretty affordable price point. The stereo image is both tight and expansive, and there's plenty of dynamic expression going on here as well, especially when you're listening to high-res tracks. Overall, the Prime Wireless is just a joy to listen to, and adding a subwoofer will also help out with that lighter sound. The Prime Wireless are a versatile pair of wireless speakers with excellent sound and plenty of ways to play. But they are primarily designed for people who really just want to sit down and listen to great music. If that sounds like you, we definitely suggest giving these speakers a shot. Thanks for checking out our video. If you like what you've seen here, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up, give us a comment in the comment section. You can also check out similar videos right over here, and you can read our full in-depth reviews at digitaltrends.com.